Two new LinkedIn clients, same month, both paid on the same day. No cold DMs, no daily posting, no automation tricks that you see people out there using. Just one simple change that made people come to me, that made clients reach out to me and want to work with me. And in this video, I will show you exactly what that was, so you can do it too for your virtual assistant business and help you get yourself clients for your business. LinkedIn has quietly become my best client magnet. Even without chasing people, without using things like cold DMs or desperately reaching out to people. But before we dive in, if you want more videos that help you get clients or grow your virtual assistant business, go ahead and type like. It helps reach more virtual assistants like us. All right, let's jump in. One of my clients phoned me in February from a post I had written months ago. I had even forgotten about it. She didn't react to it. She didn't comment on it. She didn't leave any like. She didn't even send any message. She was just quietly reading my content, quietly seeing me in her feeds. And then another one, we had been commenting on each other's posts for months, like 6-7 months, because we started commenting on each other's posts like 8-7 months ago. And then no pitching, no nothing, just showing up for each other. And then one day she DM'd me and she said, Daphne, I want to work with you. What is your rate card? She was from Canada. The other one was from USA, Colombia. This is the crazy part. They both paid on the same exact day, just hours apart, basically. Same day, same evening, because it was around 7:18 p.m. Because consistency builds invisible trust. They had already trusted me before they reached out. Lesson 1. Show up even when it's quiet. I don't post every day. I don't try to go viral. I just show up consistently, comment on people's posts, and talk about what I actually do as a virtual assistant. Your audience might not engage right now, but they are collecting data about you every time they see you in their feeds, every time they see you in the comment section, every time they see you somewhere in your posts. So when they do need a VA, when they decide to get themselves a VA, you are the first person that comes to mind. And if this is already hitting home for you, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, because these are the exact strategies I talk about every time I post on this channel. Lesson 2. Talk like a professional, not a job seeker. I made this mistake. I would post like I was trying to get hired, which of course I was trying to get hired, but posting things like I'm available, I'm looking for clients, I'm a virtual assistant, it doesn't do a lot. The only thing that changed was when I started posting like someone who's already in the work, who already knows what she is talking about, who already knows the systems, the processes. Instead of saying things like, I can help with inbox management, I tweaked it and would say something like, this is how I organize a CEO's inbox so they focus on their priorities, growth, and strategy. Same skill, different energy, different packaging, and it changes everything. Lesson 3. Engage intentionally. I cannot emphasize this enough. Engagement is your best kept secret that we need to utilize more, mostly on platforms like this, platforms like LinkedIn. When you comment meaningfully under people's posts, like fellow virtual assistants or potential clients you want to work with, LinkedIn starts showing your content to their network, pushing out your content even more. It's like basically quiet networking while you are sleeping. It works for you even while you are sleeping. And if you're thinking, I want to start showing up, but I'm not sure what to post or how to position myself, I have created something for you that will help you. I have been there. I know what you are thinking. I know your concerns. And this is why I made this implementation guide. It's a guide that takes you from, I want to be a virtual assistant someday, to I have clients, I have systems, and I have content that works. I will leave the link in the description below. Grab it anytime you feel like. I hope it helps you. I believe it shall help you, because this is the exact guidance I wish I had when I started as a virtual assistant. It would have saved me so much when I started. Let me know, have you ever gotten a client from LinkedIn? Comment below, because I've heard of several VAs who have gotten clients from LinkedIn because they positioned themselves very well. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, because it really helps YouTube show this to more people who need it, like VAs, of course, us. And subscribe, because the next video I'm breaking down exactly how to turn engagement into client conversations. And if you're already posting on LinkedIn, but you are not seeing the results that you are looking for, remember, people are watching. They just take time to reach out. And don't forget to engage just as much as you are posting. It really helps a lot. Engage just as much as you post. See you in the next one.